As you can see, the grill looks great. Hello, Taurus. Today I'm just going to be looking over what I need to do next to this car. Let's go to the back of the car. This car, the owner told me that a branch fell on it during a windstorm. As you can see, there's a couple of dents right there. One on the top here, two here. And you can see this corner right here where it's peeled in, and it's buckled out a little bit right here where a branch fell on top of it. The best thing to do here is just go to the salvage yard and get another trunk lid. So expect a video of me going to the salvage yard again, and I'm gonna get my trunk lid and maybe some few other things if I find something that I need. Hopefully it's the same color, but if not, I'm gonna have to paint it before I put it on. And I'm gonna put a little surprise on the back. I'm gonna put a Mercury Marauder wing on the back. What came factory with them. Fit right across right there. Should look pretty good. So that's all I have to say today. Hopefully next video I'll be in the salvage yard getting the parts, and then we'll go from there and see what it looks like. Until then, I'll see you.